Today, we're going to show you how to install our multifunctional and fully customizable light strip, as well as give you a trick to hide all the wiring. In the pre-refreshed Tesla models, the air vent has slight bumps at each end, so we had to cut the strip a little shorter to adjust. Before you start the installation, make sure to clean up the area and turn off the HVAC so that the airflow doesn't tamper with the glue. Then, remove 1/3 of the tape cover of the strip starting from the left side. Place the strip against the corresponding bump about 1 mm inward. Follow proper alignment by guiding the strip with your thumb and press to secure it in place. Remove another third of the tape cover and continue the process behind the Tesla screen, then remove the final part and repeat all the way to the right bump. For the Model 3 Highland and the Model Y Juniper, the strip covers the entire air vent, so once you turn off the airflow and clean up the area, measure about 1 inch or 2.2 centimeters from the edge of the dash. Then, use the same installation method we applied for the previous generation models. The strip comes with its own controller, which is a device that communicates with the car, and it's installed at the right A-pillar. If you want to see the installation process for it step by step, check out the tutorial linked in the description. Now, let's see how to hide the wires completely, starting with the legacy models. Start by pushing the cable inward with your fingers. Then, using the pry tool, push the cable further and underneath the dash. Push this plastic piece on the side to create space for the cable to slide through. Assemble everything back the way it was, and the final result should look seamless, like it came straight from the factory. Now let's move on to the refreshed Model 3 and Y. First, use the pry tool to remove the pins holding down the dashboard, starting from the side and continue at the back towards the center, as you see in the video. Once you have an opening, leave the right side of the dash and look for this hole. Grab a large zip tie and push it through the hole until it comes from this exact spot on the right side. Once the zip tie is out, tape the controller's connector to it and then pull the zip tie back so the cable can come out from the other side. Once the cable is out, connect it to the strip, push it back into the hole and route the cable behind the dash you unclipped earlier. Now push it back down firmly and ensure all the clips click into place. Power on the controller and reassemble everything. Again, the final result should look like it just came from the assembly line. Once you have installed your light strip and controller, it's time to pair them. Open the Sexy app and at the bottom you'll find tabs for customizing your Sexy products. Select the one for the strip and a pop-up will prompt you to pair it with the controller. Press the button to connect. After the process is completed, you can begin customizing your strip. On the home page, you'll see 6 slots where you can set custom colors or animation effects. Just click on one of them and select the color from the color wheel, or you can go to the animation section and pick your preferred one from there. You can also adjust the brightness using the slider. If you'd like your strip to match the lighting of your Model 3 Highland or Model Y Juniper, simply toggle the option at the bottom of the page. Below the color slots, there's a section for configuring smart alerts and notification effects. For each alert, you can choose a color and animation style, such as blink, pulse, fade out, or loading animation. You can even create the brightness offset to make alerts stand out from your default lighting. The first option, Blind Spot Assist, flashes the light strip in a selected color when a vehicle enters your blind spot. The second option lets you assign colors for turn signals and hazard lights. The third controls the lighting for autopilot and hands-on wheel warnings. You can also assign custom colors to different acceleration modes like green or blue for chill mode and red for sport. There are also some fun animations. A welcome sequence when you enter the car, a charging animation that fills the strip when you plug in, and even a sentry mode alert that activates if someone tries to tamper with your vehicle. And finally, one of the coolest features, the speed limit alert. Your light strip will flash when you exceed the speed limit. Beyond choosing the color and brightness, you can fine-tune when it activates. For example, setting how many kilometers per hour over the limit will trigger the alert, or defining a minimum speed threshold before it kicks in. Just like the rest of our products, the Sexy strip receives regular over-the-air updates, making it smarter with each new release. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one.